Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Update to iOS 18. 1 or later and sign in with your Apple ID because Apple Intelligence uses cloud models tied to your account. Once done, enable iCloud and Siri. Those services share preferences and context. Make sure your iPhone 16 is charged above 50% or plugged in, and connect to stable Wi-Fi, 5 GHz if available. Now open Settings and tap Apple Intelligence to begin the first configuration steps. Follow on-screen prompts. Next, you configure what Apple Intelligence can access and why. Go through app permissions to allow only needed apps to share data. This limits exposure while enabling richer suggestions. Then adjust privacy controls, choosing personalization and on-device processing for faster, private responses. Make sure contacts, calendar, and mail access are set to your comfort level so AI suggestions stay relevant. Finally, set your writing style, voice, and languages. Enable offline mode for local inference when you need privacy or no network. To finish, you actively use Apple Intelligence. Prompt it to draft an email, summarize a web page, or generate reminders so you see how it applies context. Once satisfied, fine-tune behavior and settings for tone and data access. Make small adjustments rather than sweeping changes. If something goes wrong, reboot the iPhone, verify iCloud sync and network, sign out and back into your Apple ID, or toggle Apple Intelligence off and on. If issues persist, reset only the feature, not the whole phone, to preserve data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.